IND AHF 360 CD UVCR1 MMS 120V50C is a mobile UV air sanitation purifier from Larson Electronics, which actively disinfects the surrounding air in both unoccupied and occupied areas without noise. This unit uses 8 lamps that provide 212.8 watts of total UVC output during sanitation. Designed for portable applications, this stainless steel system has 4 wheels at the base for seamless deployment, transportation, and storage. This unit is equipped with the MERV 16 rated air filter. This unit is a portable sanitation solution for unoccupied and occupied areas in buildings, temporary shelters, and work sites. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. The UV chamber has a polished surface to maximize light distribution during UV treatment. Constructed of 304 stainless steel, the UV lights are enclosed inside the unit, preventing UV exposure in occupied areas. LED indicator lights on the unit notify individuals when the system is in operation and when the lamps must be replaced. Differential air pressure gauge monitors filter resistance to ensure timely filter replacement. Surrounding dirty air is drawn into the portable UV air purifier via disposable filters at the base of the system. The dirty air passes through the UV sanitation chamber, where it is treated with UVC light using the 8 fluorescent lamps. This disinfection process kills up to 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, mold, spores, and other harmful microbes. Clean, sanitized air exits the chamber through a louvered exhaust panel and is released back into the environment. The louvers also protect people from UV exposure in the surrounding area. This low-maintenance air disinfection process is continuous and quiet. Operators can choose from the following occupied area operating modes via a 3-position switch. Duration of UV treatment can be set using a timer. A time delay function allows individuals to leave the room before the unit is activated. This system has a built-in motion sensor, which will turn the system off when motion is detected in the area. This unit is equipped with 50 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an industrial-grade cord cap for easy connection to common wall outlets. Plug options include the following. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today. Getting rid of viruses and harmful bacteria lurking in occupied areas such as offices, restaurants, schools, and public sites starts with air sanitation. Larson Electronics indirect UV air disinfection fixtures present a very effective solution for busy environments. Using UV light in the UVC range, these slim units clean the air of occupied areas. These devices operate passively without noise and do not require frequent maintenance. Protected by heavy-duty louvers, the light is covered by a 304 stainless steel enclosure to prevent UV exposure in the area. During operation, this indirect UV air disinfection fixture projects ultraviolet rays across the top of the room it is mounted in. The upper air in the room that passes through the UV rays via convection currents or forced air circulation is then sanitized. Bacteria and viruses present in the air that passes through the UV rays produced by the fixture are destroyed. The air in the room is constantly being purified as it flows through the UV rays being produced by the fixture. Our indirect UV disinfection fixtures are great for long-term and continuous sanitation. In addition to viruses, these units can eliminate disease-causing mold, spores, and microbes that contribute to seasonal allergies. To check out our complete selection of UV air disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.